Right, we're here in York. We've came to York Christmas markets with the family. And the other night when we came, the other week, we ended up doing a lot more drinking than eating. So today I'm going to get the Christmas markets in and see what's there and have a bite to eat. The thing I like about Christmas markets is they all specialise in what they sell. So if someone's selling hot dogs, they're not just going to be any hot dogs. They're going to be the best hot dog you'll ever taste. If you have a burger, it's probably going to be one of the best burgers you'll ever taste. But it's Christmas. Spend time with the family, eat good food and have a good Christmas. This is why I love York. All the history, the Roman remains, similar to like Edinburgh, Lincoln. You've got the Minster here as well, which you're going to see in a second. York Minster, which is right there, which is beautiful as well. And just all the little side streets in York city centre, all the cobbles. You know, it really is a beautiful city in the north of England. And as soon as you get into York here, you've got pub, another pub. So if you are doing a crawl like we did the other week on the Creators Day, Creators Weekend, there is plenty to eat and drink in York. And as we expected, York is absolutely packed. Bit of brandy. Bit of brandy. Can I get a mulled wine with a brandy, please? Oh, it's fruity wine, cinnamony, but then it's got a shot of brandy in. So the first purchase of the day is £7.50 for a mulled wine with a shot of brandy. So the other week, one of the things I do remember getting, but I think I was steaming by the time I got it, was a Yorkshire pudding wrap from here. And I do remember on the night, it wasn't great, but I was smashed. But I won't be getting another one today. Let's see what else is here. Whoa, there's some sort of tribe over there. Right, what do you want, Michelle? Thai, I'm guessing, or do you want something different?
No, like
not pad Thai?
peanut stir fry.
Where's that? Oh, there's the menu.
Yeah, but there's some here that I can't see.
So it looks like the first dish of the day is Thai.
Fanta.
Hey there, what are these as well? Coated in breadcrumbs, deep fried, arancino sicilianos. I'm a Scotch egg. I'm not a Scotch egg. Well, what are these? These ones here. Nice, we'll have a beef ragu, one of them please. And can I get 2 slices of margarita pizza? And a can of Fanta and Diet Coke please. So we did get 2 slices of margarita pizza, 1 beef ragu, which looks like a Scotch egg, but it's not, it's deep fried in breadcrumbs. A little bit dry. The, what's it called? Arancino, a little bit dry. And the pizza, I had 1 bite. Oscar's eating it now.
What is that?
You like it? Out of 10, what would you say, Oscar?
9.
9? I said a 6. Why 9?
It's nice.
Maybe Oscar's the new food reviewer. So we've got Moroccan food, burritos, crumbles, then it says teas and coffee on the end before hot dog and fries. Mum, there's a queue over there, you know. It's so busy, like even trying to food review, it's too hard because it's so closed in together. Everyone's knocking you walking past. But I'm going to try it anyway. It's Rochelle's. Well, I'm going to take a piece of chicken. So different when we were talking about the pizza place there, which was lacking flavour. The Thai is exceptional, so much flavour, really peanutty. A nice light batter on the chicken. Wow, Rochelle, what would you give that?
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10? Yeah, I'd go with the same. High scoring, 9 out of 10 for Thai season at York food markets. So I think next year when we come back here, we won't be visiting on a Saturday. It is rammed, the queues are massive, you can't get in bars to get a pint, but it's still one of the best Christmas markets you're going to get in the country. It's just so busy. Oh, is that 20 pence?
Yeah.
Oh, cheap. This shop is so gay. That's class, what a name. Love that. Mulled wine, hot chocolate and Baileys. Literally, there is everything you could imagine at York Christmas markets. The problem is the queues. Beth's bakes cakes. Cakes look amazing. The queue is big. So again, if you can't be asked to wait, then maybe come on a different day to a Saturday. And obviously what's good about any food market is the tasters. York cacao. So Teddy's having a little taste. Right, I'm off. The size of that. Thank you, mate. Perfect, thank you very much.
Thank you, enjoy guys.
Cheers. Come on. Want to try Nana's? quick, try it. Oh, perfect. Oh, that was some good hot chocolate. Yeah, so it literally feels like now I'm doing the same walk, the same crawl as I done last Saturday, but today it's without the booze. Look, whilst we're here, we walked past Coupland's and a sign up saying new Christmas items, festive items. So I went with a new festive sausage roll. Let's try it. Nice and cheap, it's red hot, and you can see cranberry sticking out. I think this is about £1.45. So compared to the food markets around, charging £6, £10, £15, something like a Christmassy hot dog on the food markets is probably about £8. So Coupland's, you know the standard, you get them for £1.45. It's a good sausage, flaky pastry, but inside I'm sure it's just cranberry. Where's the stuffing? Where's the bacon to turn it into like a pigs in blanket? Oh. So £1.45, 2 for £2.50. It's an absolute bargain, but it is lacking stuffing and it's lacking bacon. Come on, Coupland's, a bit of creativity next time, eh? Oh, I tell you.
Iceman, there you go. I made it for you.
Baklava with an Iceman. What are the chances of us being at York Christmas markets and we end up at a Turkish restaurant of all places? Look at that, the chef's cooking there fresh on the grill, Adana kebab on the charcoal grill. I'm going to show you outside and then we're going to make a TikTok as well. It says I've got a set 2-course meal for £19.95. Let's take a look inside. And then we've got the Adana kebabs cooking on the grill. Right, so Michelle's gone for Adana kebabs. There's only one thing left to do, and that's to try it. Oh, very hot, just come off the grill. Tasty Adana kebab. The rice is regular rice, not bulgur rice. And then she's got a garlic and a chilli sauce with it. But yeah, cooked over char grill, so it's char grill, the Turkish barbecue, everything. The British love barbecue because it gives it that char grill flavour. Yeah, really good Adana kebab in the UK. So let's keep smashing in the Adana kebab with a little bit of garlic on it. No, really tasty kebab. Rochelle's enjoying it, I've stole a bit. And again, with Turkish food, it's all about that char grill flavour. It is more like a urfa because it's not very spicy. But yeah, really enjoyed it. Look at that, people eating on in the restaurants, on the boats as well, city cruise. But I say it every time, I've just been speaking to Oscar about it. York as a city is beautiful. And just like that, we've done a full 360 of York, back at York Minster. And we're just leaving now, walking to the car park. So today we've reviewed the Turkish restaurant, hot chocolate, which was beautiful by the way, a pizza, a nice little Thai dish, which was probably the star of the day, and a Coupland's. But for now, goodbye York.
No, it's it.
And I'm sure there's a, what's that, the Little Apple bookshop right there, where hopefully next year you'll be able to get my book, Competitive Eating, the Ultimate Guide, by me, Craig Harker, Dad Loves Food. Hopefully will be available in that bookshop next year, fingers crossed.